Hey guys, Tesco77 here.
I'm Useful Gaming.
And with his nerdy brother again. And today we're going to be eating a hot pepperami. The only reason that this one is split because I have to share one with him. The only reason that I'm splitting mine is because this is my 4th time having it.
And this is my first time ever having it. I've never actually... Oh god.
Oh.
Never even actually...
Oh no.
What?
Oh, drinks.
Never mind, we have to go out with it.
No.
This is the round what we're going to do with no water.
Oh god.
It's called... We're going to call this episode called Hot Pepperoni No Water Challenge. Or no drink.
Okay guys, let's do a fireball no water challenge.
Oh.
No, we ain't doing that again.
Yeah, we are, Austin. You're scared.
Okay. Rory, you grab yours.
No, not yet.
Oh my!
Oh no. Okay, 3,
It tastes
2,
it smells like
1,
go. Oh.
I'll go.
Oh god.
Don't sit down. It's a little spicy.
Oh god.
Oh, wait, that
It's the aftertaste.
The aftertaste.
The first time. Oh god.
My throat.
I'll go.
Oh.
I'll go.
You eat the whole thing? You?
It's
Yeah,
not
well, you got more than us.
Oh. Oh.
It's not even hot.
Not bad.
It's not. Okay, guys, this is not even hot.
It's a little hot.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
but the first.
It burns in your throat.
Yeah, the first 2 times I had it.
Oh god.
Oh god. My neck. Oh god. If you don't stop speaking, it keeps on burning. So I got him speaking this whole episode, so it won't start burning.
Oh god. Heavy breathing. Heavy breathing.
Well hot. I'm gonna walk out.
I eat it for you.
No.
Oh.
Oh god. Oh god. Okay.
Insane.
Oh god.
Iron Man.
Ching.
Oh god.
Any of you guys out there, I would recommend you eat this. Just for a
Or a
roll.
fireball. Or a sour one.
Oh god.
Or probably raspberry.
Well, that one.
Sexy raspberry.
One sec. How do you find yourself?
Nice to be gross first.
By the way, guys, those jawbreakers that we had,
What?
I don't think you can actually.
Hot damn.
I don't think you can actually get them
Hot damn.
really
The
anywhere.
fireball was hotter, but this one was quite not bad, but this fireball was quite
Okay, so
Shut
hot.
up. Shut up.
the jawbreakers.
I am so
Rory,
hotter.
the jawbreakers that we had, I don't think you can actually get them really anywhere. Because where our school is, and they have a little corner shop like next to it. Not good.
Because
I'm just-
there's probably child molesters watching.
They could be, but you know,
If you're a child molester, you're a creep.
yeah,
And if Jaden's watching, you're a creep.
by
Yeah.
the way, when we
Just
say
joking,
Jaden,
by the way.
and if by the way, if we do say Jaden, we mean is Jaden who is called Metal Master
2004. We're not sponsoring him because he never sponsors us.
Yeah, so yeah, the jawbreakers that we had, we only get them from our school
Corner shop.
in the corner shop,
If
Which
we
is-
got it from our school, worst school ever.
which is
Yeah, at our school you can buy milkshakes for 40p.
yeah, they steal stuff. But, there you go.
Cheap.
Yeah, we got
It's just a bin, by the way.
bin.
I've been in the ice in the bin.
Yeah, so that is the hot pepperoni challenge without water. Not really.
I know it.
not
No.
really spicy.
spicy. But we're gonna nominate some person. So you're gonna nominate one. I'm gonna nominate someone, and you're gonna nominate
I
someone.
nominate me.
No, we need to discuss it. Come on.
Okay, we're going to discuss it. Just like, hang on for a moment.
I nominate Inferno Creeper, aka Rakim.
And I will nominate Nathan, aka Google Blast 10 or Google Blast 101.
I would nominate
Jaden.
Yeah.
Slash.
Yeah, there is someone called like Jaden Lang. I don't know his YouTube channel.
Wait, I haven't just said that. Okay, guys.
I'm talking about Jaden's Toon. Jaden's Toon is Metal Master 2004. We're not sponsoring him for the last time.
Guys, I think that pepperoni's right kick things and go to the toilet.
Yeah, but
Oh god. Prepare for explosive diarrhea.
yeah, but shall we show them the thing that happened in the toilet when you came here or not?
You disgusting creep!
Okay, no, we won't say that.
No, because
But leave in the comments if you do want to hear what it was.
and plus, I can just imagine so many hate comments from Jaden. You creep. You creep. You creep.
Why?
Well,
Why?
grab a pair of balls and show your face, Jaden.
By the way, if any of you are called... Whoa. If any of you are called Jaden out there, we don't actually mean to you.
We're talking about Jaden Toon, Metal Master 2004, and we're not sponsoring him.
Okay, yeah, so that's this episode of eating hot pepperoni challenge with no water or drink. But I hope you like this video. Like, comment and subscribe to him and me.
Not Metal Master, Musical Gaming intro.
Even though I ain't doing videos because I have to wait. Like, my tablet.
You know,
I know we've done it in another video. I'm just having a recap that my computer is being fixed over a week, so... Huh?
Say bye.
Okay. Well, like, comment, subscribe to me and him. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye-bye.